Eddie Grace's Buick got 4 bullet holes in the side. And Charlie Delisle is sitting at the top of an avocado tree. Mrs. Stone will stab you with a steak knife if you step on the lawn. I got a half a pack of Lucky Strikes, man. So come along with me. Let's fill our pockets with macadamia nuts and go over to Bobby Goodman's and jump off the roof. We used to play strip poker while our mamas cross the street. Joanna Finsky says she put her tongue in his mouth. Dickie Faulkner's got a switchblade and some gooseneck risers that you can lift as a hunchback as a wind out from the south. So let me tie you up with kite string. I'll show you the scabs on my knee. Watch out for the broken glass and put your shoes and socks on and come along with me. Let's follow that fire truck. I think your house is burning down. Then go down to the hobo jungle and kill some rattlesnakes with a trowel. And we'll break all the windows in your Anderson place. We'll steal a bunch of poison pies and we'll smear them all on your face. I'll get $1 from my mama's purse and buy that skull and crossbones ring. And you can wear it around your neck on an old piece of string. Then we'll spit on Ronnie Arnold and flip him the bird. Slash the tires on the school bus. Now don't say a word. I'll take a rusty nail and scratch your initials in my arm. I'll show you how to sneak up on the roof of the drugstore. I'll take the spokes from your wheelchair and a magpie's wings, and I'll tie them to your shoulders and your feet. I'll steal a hacksaw from my dad and cut the braces off your legs. We'll bury them tonight out in the cornfield. Just put a church key in your pocket. We'll hop that freight train in the hall. We'll slide all the way down the train to New Orleans in the fall.